Iamdevonanicole. So guys, today I'm coming to you guys with my FABFITFUN bundles. So guys, every season we get the boxes. You can also add on bundles, which I always do. And I picked up 4. So we have a Bath and Body bundle that's valued at $24. Well, it's not valued. It costs $24.99. We have a home bundle that costs $24.99. And we have a skincare bundle that costs $24.99. And then we have a mystery bundle that costs $19.99. So these are always offered when the boxes are up for the season, and you can pick them up. So I always add them to my order because you always get some cool stuff, and it's the holiday time and I need gifts. So these are somebody's gifts, they just don't know it yet. So let's get right into unboxing or unbagging all of the mystery bags. And we have, like I said, we got quite a few, so this is all the stuff we gotta get through. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this one here I grabbed. And the mystery bag number is right up there so you guys can see. So this one is the mystery bag. So this is the one valued at $19.99, or the one that I paid $19.99 for. So let's see what's in this bag here. So we got some socks by Summer Rose. And let me see if I can take them out the packaging here so I can show them to you without all of the glare. But yeah, we got some socks. And look, it's a couple of different ones. Oh, it's like 4, is it 4 pair? Yeah, it's 4 pair of little footy socks. Isn't that cute? By Summer Rose. So these are the socks, prints. Isn't that nice? You got a plain pair, you got a pink pair, and these burgundy pair, and then the ones here. So not bad. So some socks. Let's see what else is in here. We also have a Elemis product. Look, we got an Elemis product here. This is the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It's a nourishing prebiotic green mask. It balances, replenishes, and hydrates. So let's pop this open so I can show you at least what it looks like outside of the box. So this is how it comes. And we got, oh my gosh, it's an insulated cup. So we also got an insulated cup, guys. So this is the cup that we have here. Aqualina insulated tumbler with hot and cold beverage lid and built-in straw. Vacuum insulated, food grade stainless steel. So let's pull it out of the box so I can show it to you. So this is nice. It's a nice mug. How many ounces is this? It holds 20 ounces. That's good. This is actually perfect for my a cup for me for taking to work. When I grab my coffee at Dunkin', when I leave out in the morning, maybe I should wash this out and take this with me, because then it'll hold my extra large coffee. But yeah, stainless steel tumbler. How nice. Nice. So let's go to our next bag and see what's in there. Alright guys, the next one I have, this looks like our Bath and Body bundle. So the first thing I see that I want to pull out is the Sponge Gelée. This is one of those body buffers. So these have the body gel or whatever basically inside. So once you wet it, it starts foaming up. So they're good. This one's good for 14 plus washes. And burnt sugar is the fragrance of this one, but it's shaped like a little donut, which I think is really cute. And these are great for traveling. I like to take these when I travel. And then the next item we have the new company, Mind and Energy. It's a perfume. It says it's a perfume. Let's see. Oh wow, it is a perfume. So this is the Mind and Body. This is what they have on here. Mind Energy, I'm sorry. Iamdevonanicole. This is by the new company. That's interesting. A sensory supplement created using upcycle and sustainable source ingredients with clergy sage, juniper, pink peppercorns, and cloves, peppery, and fresh with warm spices. Okay. Use this daily to re-energize and recenter yourself. And you know we like to spray, so we are going to spray. Let me go to this arm. I don't think I sprayed nothing over here. smells like a spa. That's the best way to describe it. It smells like a spa, you know, like very clean kind of smell. So it's supposed to use it to have your mind energy refocused or whatever have you. So okay, so that's different. That's different. And then the last thing that we got in this bundle, we have Frizz Foundation. I've never heard of this brand. This is an AHA BHA multi-exfoliant for clear pores. This is a body scrub, peppermint extract. So we got a body scrub. And we got 6.3 fluid ounces. So this is a nice size body scrub. So that is our skincare bundle. That was the body bundle, right? Bath and body bundle. Okay, bath and body bundle. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to our next one. Okay, so we are up to skin. This is the skincare bundle. So you guys see the number right there for the skincare bundle. So we got 3 items in here. Let's see what we got. So we have a cosmetics MD. We looks like we have a face mask, and we have how many of them? It's a radiant and rejuvenant sheet mask. How many do we get? What's it say? AM PM, use anytime. And hydrate and energize the look of your complexion with this 4-piece. So 4 masks, 4-piece radiant rejuvenating sheet mask. It includes 2 damask rolls. Oh, they're different. They're not all the same. Hold on. Let's pull them out then. I thought they were all like the same. So this is how it looks. Energize vitamin C sheet mask. So are they all the same? And then we have 2 that say hydrate. So we have the energize and the hydrate. Hydrate, damask rose infused sheet mask. So if you don't like rose, you probably won't like the smell of this one, but this one is citrus scented here. So 2 different masks in here in 1 box. So then we also got a Fenty. Isn't this the one I just got? Yeah, this is what it looks like. Then we have the Fenty Skin. This is their Cherry Dub Superfine Facial Scrub is what I have here. So this is the Fenty product. There's no cost or anything in here, guys. So you just normally get like a lot of good products in here. And then the last thing that we got in here is Versed Weekend Glow Daily Brightening Moisturizer. So I'm not familiar with this brand at all. I am familiar with the Fenty and the Cosmetics brand. I'm familiar with both of them, but not the Versed one. So we'll see. This is a vitamin C cloudberry oil is what they have on here, moisturizer. So lightweight cream, chock full of vitamins and antioxidants and skin brighteners, basically. So that is the skincare bundle. So let's go on to the very last one, which is going to be our home bundle. So let's see what's in that one. So this is the home bundle, guys. I don't know what all of this is, but we will find out shortly, right? Okay, we're going to go with the big one. This has no name. I have no idea what this is. There's no name on here at all. So the mystery, we will find out together what this is. Okay, so far I have no idea. Something that you plug up, I can tell you that much. I see a cord. What is this? Okay, here's the booklet for it. Dude, it's a waffle maker. It is a waffle maker. It looks like the little one. Stuffed waffle maker. Are you serious? Like, wow. A waffle maker. I've never gotten a waffle maker, yo. Let's take it out so I can really see it. This is the thing. When you have nails and you're trying to take stuff out without messing up your nails, and you're trying to make it work. Okay. How neat is this? A waffle maker. Like, it's the little one. Look. It's the little waffle maker. How waffle maker. How cute is that? Oh, that is cute. So that was what was in the mystery box. So let's see what else is in here. Let me move some of this out of my way so I can get to the other things. Whole waffle maker. I tell you, you get some really good stuff sometimes in these mystery bundles. They're hit or miss, but you get some good stuff sometimes. So then we also got a desk mat. So this one looks like it's straight up black. I do like these because if you're sitting somewhere working on your laptop, and I like to put these underneath my laptop so that it's not warming up the surface that it's sitting on. Like if I'm sitting at my dining room table, which is glass, I do like these mats. So this one is water and stain resistant computer mat. So that's cool. You can always use those. And we have, what the heck is this? This is a cactus wall hanging. No one needs this. I'm assuming y'all couldn't get rid of them. That's why it's in here. No one's checking for a cactus wall hanging. And I don't even know how it's hanging. Like this even worth me opening up. Y'all don't want to see this. Do y'all really want to see a cat? This is how it is. I don't see anything hanging. Oh, here's the, is it a string? Okay, it just has a green string in here. And you just hang this. Somebody may like something like this, but it ain't to me. I don't like stuff like this. This is stupid. To me, I have no use. I don't like cactus stuff. I'm not a cactus decor person. This is utterly useless to me. To me, it's useless. So this is a dud. But yeah. So guys, that was everything that came in the mystery bundles that we got from FABFITFUN. Now I do like the waffle maker. I think that's a good one. I like this tumbler that we got as well. And the skincare products, I like those. But yeah, this cactus, this is probably the least favorite thing I see out of the entire mystery bags that we just did. Everything else I like, you know, the skincare stuff. I can use this kind of stuff. These things are cool, but this is the worst one. You could use the tumbler, the socks, and all of this stuff. This is utterly useless. So that was my mystery bags unbaggings for you guys today to show you what came in my mystery bags from FABFITFUN. I hope you enjoyed today's video and had a good time with me laughing at this wall hanging that nobody can use. Who is buying this? Like, who is buying this? Like, I don't even know nobody that wants this, as a matter of fact. Like, who wants this? Anywho, thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!